How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To delete your Instagram account, open your Instagram app. Now here on bottom of edition, you will find different navigation options. So on bottom right hand side, you will find this profile icon. So tap on it. Again tap on this hamburger icon located on top right hand side of your screen. And then you will see this kind of page. So here tap on account center. Now scroll down all the way to bottom and then tap on personal details. And then you will see this kind of page. So here on middle of your screen you will find this option account ownership and control. So tap on it. Now you will be headed towards this page. So here you will find two different options, memorialization and deletion and deactivation. So tap on deactivation and deletion. And now you will see this page. Here you will find all the accounts that you are logged into. So simply select the account that you want to delete. And then you will see this page. So here you have to choose whether you have to deactivate your account or delete your account. So to delete your Instagram account, tap on this second option, delete account. So tap on it and then tap on continue. Now select the reason why you want to delete your account. So select any of them and then tap on continue located on bottom of the screen. And you will see this page. So here tap on continue. Now you will be asked to enter your Instagram account password to delete your account. So simply enter your Instagram account password and then tap on continue. By doing this, you will be successfully able to delete your Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.